To record audio in Final Cut Pro X, you go to Window, go down to Record Voiceover, and now on the inputs, if you have any kind of external microphone, you can click on it and switch to that device. So I have the Scarlett Solo plugged in, which allows you to plug in external microphones. You can then monitor, have it turned off or on so you're able to hear what you're saying. You can have the countdown to record, so it gives you a countdown before it starts recording when you hit the record button. You can mute the project, so whatever you have already on the timeline does not make sound as you are talking. And you can also create audition from takes. You can also change the name of the audio, so save it to test. Now hit record, it gives you a countdown. Audio test, test, test. This is a audio test of the microphone, as you'll see. This is a audio test of the microphone. And as you'll see, it was recording in just one side. So if that ever happens to you while you record, you can go up to here, and on the pan mode, you can click Basic Surround, and then you'll want to select the centerpiece. That way it evens out on both sides. Now, even though you can do this in Final Cut, you can also do it in different programs like GarageBand. I'm actually recording this audio right now in GarageBand, and then after I'm done, I just hit share, hit song to music, and then I can go into Final Cut and drag it right into my timeline. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more content, and thank you for watching.